Hello friends, myself Nagesh Nahate, Assistant Professor, Sri Shivaji Art, Commerce and Science College, Akola. Friends, today we will discuss about some important point in the invisible spectroscopy, that is the Woodward-Fisher rule. To determine the structure of organic compound, there are different spectroscopic methods are used, and UV visible spectroscopy is one of the technique which is useful for the determination of structure of molecules. Let's start with the first and important rule, that is Woodward-Fisher rule, which will be used for the determination of lambda max, or the maximum wavelength absorption. We know that the alkenes are of three types, that is the conjugated dienes, conjugated dienones and aromatic system. So for these three systems, Woodward-Fisher rule is used to determine the lambda max value. So first of all, see the structure determination for the dienes. So we know that there are two conformation of dienes, that is cis and trans diene, and we know that trans diene is more stable than cis diene. But the cis isomer or cis conformer has higher potential energy than the trans. Therefore, the homo electrons of the conjugated diene have less a jump to the LUMO. We know that in a electronic transition, electrons are transferred from HOMO to LUMO. Lesser is the distance between the two level, that is HOMO and LUMO. More will be the absorption and longer will be the wavelength. Means lower is the energy gap between HOMO and LUMO, higher is the absorption and higher is the or longer is the wavelength of absorption. So we know that a diene has a two double bond, which means 4 pi electrons, and we know that there are 4 orbitals, 2 pi bonding orbitals and 2 pi anti-bonding orbitals. So as you can see, there are two dienes, S trans and S cis. S stands for sigma bond, and cis means two double bonds are cis to sigma bond, and in S trans means the diene with two double bond with trans conformation. As we know that there are four orbitals, out of which two are bonding and two are anti-bonding. So we can write psi1, psi2 for bonding orbitals and psi3, psi4 for anti-bonding orbitals. And we know that the HOMO is the psi2 and the LUMO is psi3. That is, HOMO is highly occupied molecular orbital or higher occupied molecular orbital, and LUMO is the lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. So the lesser will be the energy gap between the HOMO and LUMO, more will be the absorption. As you can see in this diagram, for cis conformation, the energy gap between HOMO and LUMO is less, therefore it absorbs at 253 nanometer, and in case of trans conformation, the energy gap is higher than the SC, therefore it absorbs at 217 nanometer. So actually there are two types of transition occurs pi to pi star in dienes, but the longer transition, that is the psi2 to psi4 transition, is forbidden transition and it is not observed in the visible region, therefore it is a forbidden transition. And the psi2 to psi3 transition is more intense transition because it absorbs at visible or UV region. So there are different types of dienes. You can see that different types of dienes and their lambda max are also given below the structure. First you can see the trans diene, which has lambda max value to 117 nanometer. Second one is cis isomer of butadiene, which has 253 nanometer. Then you can see the trans diene having methyl substituent, which has a little bit more lambda max value than the unsubstituted diene. Then the fourth diene is again a 6-member structure having 2 methyl substituent, and subsequently you can see that The fifth structure is also has a 6 carbon atom, but the position of the methyl group is little bit different. At sixth structure, that is of aromatic benzene ring, whose lambda max value is 256 nanometer, and the last structure, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is hexatriene structure having 3 conjugated double bond, has the highest value of absorption. From this diagram or from this slide, you can consider that more is the conjugation, more will be the lambda max value, as the double bond act as a axochromic group and it absorb higher wavelength value.